Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 2500 desk set, and this is Bob's equipment from Missouri. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone with a very nice color. Bob purchased this unit on an auction site on the internet. And so basically, the seller, I believe, said the telephone worked, but it had a speaker connected to it. So it was set up to have a speaker with it. And Bob was not interested in the speaker. So the seller said they could remove the speaker, and he did. And so when Bob received this telephone, I believe he thought it was going to work, and it didn't. And so Bob kind of equated that maybe removing the speaker was the issue. And we've troubleshooted a little bit, and the actual issue is this telephone has a bad keypad. Bob wants to have this unit repaired because he wants the unit because of the color. Now there's some other issues that go along with the bad keypad. This telephone does not have a polarity protect circuit. There's also an issue with the bell. We're going to be going through the transmit, the receive, the handset cord, the hook switch, so we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. The keypad is not going to be repairable because it's the older style keypad that has the tunable coils, and it's kind of a one-shot deal out of the factory. You could tune on them and maybe get the telephone to have all the correct tones that it needs, but it wouldn't last. It would just fall out of tune again, and the only way to really repair the telephone is go to an electronic type keypad, or you will always have an issue because the older style keypads that have the tunable coils, they're getting older and they're losing their tuning, and so they just need to be replaced with a better situation, which is an electronic style keypad. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs of this cool 2500 set, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. This pickup is amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver, and I have an open amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When you press the button, you can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We also want to run through a little bit about what went on with the telephone and the repair. Now, the modular line cord port for the telephone, from the age, it was so brittle that we had to just replace it. It kept breaking and cracking, and we glued it once or twice, but we just went ahead and replaced it. It was just very brittle, and it needed to be replaced. We also went through the bell. That was repaired and the issues taken care of. We also replaced the original keypad that this telephone came in with. It was bad and it was causing all kinds of issues. We reconfigured some of the wiring for the network also and made sure all the connections were tight. We went through the transmit and the receive and the handset cord. We just wanted to make sure everything was working properly. We took a look at the hook switch and that was cleaned. We also had to install a Polarity Protect circuit. This telephone did not have a Polarity Protect circuit. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. We'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move our line cord over to an outside line, and we're going to call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we're going to make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, May 1st. The current time, 3:16 p.m. and the temperature, 61 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 2500 desk set has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Bob and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever he uses it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.